In this video, I will talk about controlling the LED lights, and there's 8 of them on this development board. The first LED light's over on the right-hand side, which is LED number 1. And the 8th one is all the way over on the left-hand side, over here. That's LED number 8. And I'll be doing this using a Java program, and this is using Oracle's version of the Java development kit. I'll just be talking about it briefly and not in any detail as far as writing it from scratch. If you look at the source code for controlling the LED lights, and first thing I need to do is give myself access to there's a block device called /dev/IO control that root only has access to, but if you change the permissions on it, which I have this little script set up that gives me ownership and access to write and read and execute to it. When you run their test program, it controls the LED lights, and what's actually is happening, if you look at the source code for that, is that what will happen is it'll write out certain numbers to /dev/IO control. And the first LED is if you send /dev/IO control the number 7, how it responds to the number 7 is it'll light up the first LED number 1. If I send it an 8, it'll light up the second one all the way down through LED 8, which is it will respond to the number 14 by lighting up. Now if I wanted to turn one of them off, unfortunately I can't send it the same number and toggle it. You would have to send it the number 15, which will shut all of them off. This is currently how, if you look at the source code for /dev/IO_control, if you send 15 to it, it's going to turn all of them off, and the other numbers, the numbers 7 through 14, those will turn them on. There's no way to toggle right now. Now, with controlling this in Java, and this is written in Java 1.7, which uses their NIO libraries. NIO stands for New Input Output. And it's been a while since I've written Java code, but it's like riding a bike. Once you've written it once, you can ride it all the time. Just a matter of getting back on and pedaling. But what I do here, well, I get a file reference to dev/IO control. I create a new buffered writer to /dev/IO control. And once I have that, then I can send it the numbers I want to write to it. So for example, if I want to light up the first LED, I would send it the number 7, and that in turn would cause the light on here to light up. And it doesn't work from the command line if you try to echo stuff out to it, because I think it's trying to give it strings instead of the actual number, the integer. And so it doesn't respond to it at all. So this is a small graphical interface. It's written in something called the Abstract Window Toolkit, which was first, I guess, released in the initial implementation of Java. But if you click on one of these, for example, LED 1's already lit up, so I can't turn it off unless I want to clear all of them out. But if I want to turn on the second one, I could click on LED 2, and what that will do is it'll write the number 8 to /dev/IO_control and get it to light up. And 3 would be the number 9, and when I click on that, it will light up, and all the way down to LED 8, which would be the number 14, and it would send that to /dev/IO_control, and it causes the LED number 8 to light up. And if I want to clear them all out, I can just click on the clear button, and what I have that program to do is send the number 15 to /dev/IO_control, and it'll cause all of them to turn off. So that's kind of like a hello world version of controlling stuff with this development board. I'm sure there's a lot more that I can do, but I'll save that for another video. Thanks for watching.